Due to yesterday's severe weather setup, I want to take a moment to talk about the potential for downbursts within thunderstorms. But first, let's talk about how a thunderstorm forms. A thunderstorm forms with an updraft of warm, moist air from the surface starts to ascend into the upper atmosphere where it condenses that moisture into rain and cools off that air. Now, that cold air is suspended further into the cloud as the storm builds due to the updraft still continuing, but that updraft weakens as the storm builds until finally that cold, dense air is able to overpower that updraft and then descend to the surface, causing very gusty winds at the surface and a lot of rain. This is what we associate with our downburst in a thunderstorm. And downburst can be especially dangerous for planes flying through, as it can provide a very strong tailwind on the back of the plane, making it descend altitude at a very rapid pace. This is why pilots try to avoid thunderstorms as they're flying or landing due to the lack of lift that downbursts provide for a plane. Now, there are two classes of downbursts as well, where one can be a microburst, which is just a downburst that occurs within a 2.5 mile wide radius on the surface, or a macroburst, which is a downburst that occurs greater than 2.5 miles wide, which is associated with stronger thunderstorms. So as thunderstorm activity starts to increase as we approach the summer season, and we really want these cooldowns to happen, we just got to be careful because these downbursts can really pack a punch.